Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to return your DREAME Aqua10 roller to the docking station. You can do it manually or automatically. To do it manually, you'll need to take the rear of the robot where the pins are and slide it into the docking station like that. Pretty easy. It'll tell you that the robot is charging. It'll also automatically realign if it's not aligned correctly. Now I'll take the robot out. And if you'd like to do it automatically, you can just press on the home button on the robot and it'll start returning to the dock. It'll start looking around where the dock is and then it'll start moving into the dock. As you can see, it takes a little moment. By the way, you can also do it from the app. To do it, I'll show you that in just a moment when the robot gets out of the station. Okay, as you can see, it's almost there. It's just realigning a little bit. Okay, it is there. Now I'll get it out again. And now if I want it to return to the dock, then I can simply in the app click on pause, return to the base station like that. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.